In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Splatoon 2 single player offline. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking all of the modes that you will be able to access in Splatoon 2 if you are playing offline. Now, the main single player mode is going to be the campaign. To do this, you will go through the tutorial, so when you start the game, you will be able to create your Inkling, and after your character is created, all that you have to do is go over here. So the camera is going to zoom into this place, and if you go over, you will be able to enter the campaign by dropping down on this hole here. Now, I want to make it very clear that sadly, as of today, the campaign is the only mode that you will be able to access if you are offline. It is unfortunate, but it is basically the only thing that you will be able to do if you don't have access to an internet connection. According to my research, all other modes are going to be locked. And of course, the town is going to be overall empty because you won't see other players interacting with all this stuff. But regardless, if you want to play only single player exclusively, this is where you will be able to do it. So enter the campaign by dropping down, and you will be given objectives. There will be dialogue from the NPCs, and they will guide you through all of the campaign. So in this one here, you save 3 Zapfish, you complete the first one, and you go through all of the missions in the campaign. Each of them will have their own tiny little bit of story attached to them, and you can clear all of the stages. Each one of them will have a different mission. You will be able to keep track of your progress, change the settings by opening the menu here, and overall it is a fun game mode. It is unfortunate that you will be limited to only the campaign if you are a single player with no access to the internet, but this is how you will be able to play single player in Splatoon 2. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Splatoon 2 single player offline. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.